What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the Crypt Keeper from Spirit Halloween. Alright, oh my god, I'm excited for this one. So, we have the Crypt Keeper, aka the Keeper, which is just because Spirit didn't license this prop. They have the license to the character, but not the show. So yeah, he's named the Keeper, but he's the Crypt Keeper. So yeah, this guy has 11 phrases, which means he says 11 different things, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I am beyond excited for this thing. So let's get this thing out right now. So first thing you see is the zombie text squad stuff and a big cardboard thing. So we're gonna, okay, so this is quite clearly made by Crazy Crate, because it is a slide out. So yeah, slide outs are always interesting. Okay, here we go. The better, oh, hi. I want to come right out. So, oh, this is cool. It's like resealable bags. All right, so we've got clothing right here. This is a blanket, red blanket. This will go over his clothes. So that's cool. These are, this is his sweater thing because I see the IR sensor wire. So I'm gonna keep that over here. These are what I believe, yep, these are his pants. Pretty cool. Not great quality, but also not bad. Here are the instructions. Don't think we'll be using them today, but you never know. Here are some feet. These are cool. These are actually some pretty good quality feet right here. I got two of them, obviously. Kind of weird if you only had one foot. It looks like in here is going to be the control box. Yep, here's the control box. Looks as usual. Nothing really different about that. Got some zip ties and stuff. So yeah, this is the adapter. This is actually a 4.5 volt adapter, not a 6 volt like all the others. So be careful that if you lose this guy's adapter, make sure you grab, like you order the right one. You don't want to put a 6 volt into this thing. These are some legs right here. Another leg. Here is his shoulder, like form. Here's an arm. This is a really cool arm. I really like that. Like there's a bunch of burns on it and stuff, so that is really cool. I do like that. They're detailed as heck. Got a support pole. I'm gonna save the head for a little bit later. This is just a random freaking piece. Just put that in, screw it in. Yeah, another shoulder kind of piece. Yep, he just sits down there. So that's pretty cool. And here we go. And here it is. Wow. This thing is actually, this is really cool. I do like this guy a lot. So that is going to be the unboxing portion of this video. Now we are going to get into the setup. Alright guys, I have them all wired up, so let's plug them in. Oh boy. See his eyes?
Love me tender, love me Creeps. It's your old pal, the Crypt Keeper, known to all you fright fiends as America's most haunted. I'm here once again with some cryptic remarks. There once was a creep named Lamar who used dynamite for his cigar. They recovered his liver from the Sawani River and his eyeballs from East Zanzibar. Now there's a guy who got a bang out of life.
Alright guys, so that was my unboxing / setup and demo of the Crypt Keeper from Spirit Halloween. Now I'm going to give a short review. I will be giving an actual in-depth review in a later video, but I wanted to tell you guys a couple of things about him. One, I think this is a really cool prop. Yeah, I think he does a good amount of stuff. I really like the eye movement. He looks just really good. I have him sitting in here. This is where I keep all my animatronics. It's just my room in here. I keep, not all of them, but yeah, some of them. So, yeah, he's cool, but he's not $400 cool. That is his price tag. I think this is more of a $200 to $250 prop at the most. It's not really, it's honestly not worth $400 at all. But maybe it is if you are like a really, really big, this is not me saying you should not buy him. This is me saying that I think there could be better props to buy for $400. Like, I purchased the 12-foot Scarecrow from Lowe's, which the reason I haven't done an unboxing of that is because it was too hard to set up for the time. So I will be setting it up at Halloween, and I'll still do a video for that. But yeah, that was worth the $400 for me. This was not. This is like 2 feet tall, and yeah, it's just not worth $400. But he is really cool. So if you have that kind of price tag and you're looking for a Crypt Keeper animatronic, I would recommend buying him because he is really cool. But for somebody who's like just starting and doesn't want to spend a lot of money for something this small, yeah, I would go with something like Rising Doll because she's only $229 and she's really, really cool. But yeah. All right, so that is going to do it with this video. I will leave a link in the description where you can buy the Crypt Keeper from Spirit Halloween. And I will leave a link for the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.